Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. Just want to talk to you a little about this 2019 Sundance 221 RB. It's a 25-foot travel trailer, has a lot of space inside, and so we're going to get inside there really quickly. Just off the bat, powered tongue jack, two 5-gallon liquid propane tanks with a converter in between, so that whenever if you are running your heat at night and you run low on one tank, it'll automatically switch over, so you don't have to do that yourself. You have a nice little strips of LEDs that helps out with, it assists in hitching and unhitching and any kind of manipulation you might need to do. A nice diamond plate off the front too. So right off the front here, you have your huge pass-through. It has a strip of LEDs that go straight through. Just flip of the switch so nothing will get lost on you there as well. And these are slant latches, let them go, and they close right up for you. Double axle, it's a 22-foot floor plan and a 25-foot total length from hitch to bumper. You have a big grab handle here and 3 steps that go pretty low and help getting inside. Right off the interior, you have your closet. You have some closet space for hanging some jackets, plus a lot of pantry space here. There's a ton of space right off the entry that really helps make use of this entire space. And as we walk in, so it's one of the units that has some of the most countertop space of anything of this length by far, and it's really helped out by actually having this kind of breakfast bar rail here that adds quite a bit of division of space. Huge single basin stainless steel sink, a 3-burner stove, microwave right up top, and tons of counter space that's in addition to what we already just saw too. Nice hardware for the cabinets. Tons of drawers, tons and tons of drawer space. And what you have here also is some ducted heating and ducted AC. So you have no vents in the floors for anything to drop in. That's right across from your big U-shaped dinette. And one of the nice features about the U-shaped dinette can turn into your lounge space, especially with those curved corner cushions. If you just take out the table, you can use that as something really comfortable, as secondary seating area that doesn't necessarily have to be your dining area. Your big walk-around bed with huge closet space for hanging. It's in addition to what we had in the front. You have your 110 plugs on either side, USBs in your little cubby over top, and storage that goes through straight back across over top as well. There's under bed storage that is quite extensive. It's helped out with some pneumatic lifts. And from here, we're going to head straight back into the bathroom, which is in the rear. One of the nice things about this unit too is that when this slide out is in, you can still get access to your fridge, you get access to all your kitchen space, and you still have access to your bathroom. Your bathroom features a nice corner glass enclosure. I really like these guys. You have your hooks for hanging in your towels and whatnot, and your really nice vanity. If you have any questions about this rig or any other Sundance on lot, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop on by Junction City and say hello.